you ready to embark on a journey of innovation and empowerment? My name is Innocentia Mahlangu, and I would like to extend a warm invite on behalf of ECSA and all of its partners to the 9th UNESCO Africa Engineering Week and 7th Africa Engineering Conference. Our women-focused parallel session is where brilliant minds will converge to redefine the future of engineering. Be a part of the conversation that shapes progress and transformation. And for our students and young professionals, get ready to unlock your potential in our specially curated sessions. Connect, learn, inspire, and be inspired. Of course, you can also dive into the heart of innovation and knowledge with our technical paper sessions. It's where ideas take flight and innovation comes alive. This is your chance to be at the forefront of engineering excellence. It's not too late to register and be a part of this extraordinary event, either for the duration of the event, or you can also attend on a daily basis. So register now.